If life has been really beating you down lately, like it has me, let's change that and get some stuff done. Okay, I have a giant thing of laundry to go through. Thankfully, since we live with my mom, she helps with our laundry sometimes since it's upstairs and we live in the basement, but I still need to go through it and put stuff away and just organize it a bit differently. But I don't know what is going on, but I have just been so stressed and anxious and just not feeling life lately. Pretty much. It's just been really rough since Sean and I, neither of us are working, so just surviving on no income, and my mom has been, you know, paying our bills and everything. We don't have a whole ton. The car that we have, Sean's grandma gave to him, which we're obviously grateful for because free car, but like the car insurance and everything my mom is paying for. I have a few credit cards that she's paying for, and then like different subscriptions and things, so it's been rough. Sean has been applying for jobs and has been trying to get back into the workforce. It's just been really hard. He's not a huge driver. He's always had really bad driving anxiety, and it's just kind of rough for him. And we live in a small town, so everything is far away. So it's hard to try to find something that you have to drive 20-30 minutes to, if not longer, when you're super anxious to be driving in general. So I've been trying to help him find jobs, help apply at places, and like we can't afford daycare, otherwise I would potentially work and we'd have the one car, so it's kind of hard, and it's just easier for him to be the one to go to work and then I stay home and take care of Jack. But surviving on no income is not fun. But yeah, I didn't really know what to film or upload for today, so I'm literally just sitting down doing this right now, and then I'm gonna edit and upload it soon. But I don't know, it's just weird. I just feel like I'm in like a really weird funk. I know I've always kind of struggled somewhat with filming and ideas and trying to figure out what to film and upload and when and everything, but it just feels a little extra difficult lately, and I've just been really stressed and just kind of like snappy, and I feel really bad because Sean obviously takes the brunt of that, and you know, having a baby, like you don't want to be arguing around the baby, and we try our best not to, obviously, but it's just been stressful, and just life is rough. And like the AC in our car is broken. It's been broken for a long time, and we don't have money to get it fixed, and don't even know how much it's would cost, but it's probably at least like a few hundred, if not like a couple $1,000s max, according to like the Google AI. So like we can't go anywhere. Like obviously we live in the Midwest, so it gets hot and humid and gross, and we can't go anywhere with the baby because there's no AC, and we can't have him just roasting in the back seat, obviously, because that's not safe. But it's been rough, and obviously we feel bad because we've lived here for over a year and haven't really had jobs. I worked a little bit while I was pregnant at a hotel in a town nearby that my aunt had also worked at, but then I had complications in my pregnancy and had to be off of work, and then they fired me. So it's been hard, and like part of me wants to go back to work just so that we have money and can pay our bills and everything. Plus I'm sure at times like it'd be nice to get out of the house and have like a normal routine, but at the same time, like the mama in me just, like, my heart breaks thinking about going back to work and not being around my baby all the time. And I don't know how Sean really feels about it. I mean, we've talked a bit, and I know he wants to be able to provide for his family and everything, but more like the father side, I'm sure it's hard, you know, having to go back to work and not be around your baby all the time and missing out on milestones. Like I was literally thinking of that when I was looking at jobs recently and was curious about potentially something for me. It was like I don't know if I could do that, just not being around. And you know, he's almost 9 months now, like he'll be 9 months on the 13th, and like I could see him taking his first steps soon because he just seems, you know, like he's getting close to achieving that. But like if we were to put him in daycare, like we could miss that. Like he's babbling here and there, and like he's saying some words but not properly like actively trying to say words, but like I don't want to miss his first words. I don't want to miss his first steps. I don't want to miss any of that. So that's why I really need to like focus on this and try to build my YouTube. And when people say like, comment, share, everything, like it actually really does help. Even if you shared like this video to your Facebook and one person watches it, that helps. If you share it and a couple people watch it and one of them subscribes, that really helps. Like I know it's hard because a lot of people, if you're like me, you're anxious and you're like, I don't want to share random stuff to my Facebook, but like if you like my videos and you like me, or you know someone you think could relate or be helpful, like share videos. Like it's something I'm trying to get better at in my personal life also, because trying to become a creator that actually gets paid, it really does enlighten you and show you how much work is put into these. Like I spend sometimes hours filming, hours editing, like it can take me quite a while. Like my vanity cleaning video that I did recently, just cleaning my vanity took me a couple hours, and organizing it and everything, and I filmed it, and then going through and having to edit it and then upload it and everything. Like it takes it's a pretty big investment in time. And when I do it, since we live with my mom, we take Jack upstairs and, you know, she watches him for a few hours every day, and like that's the time that I'm able to film and edit and upload and do all this stuff when he's not around. But then there are days where like I'll film something and he'll be in the background a little bit, and then I take him upstairs as I try to, you know, do stuff more. Or like there's been a few mornings where I'm working on editing and stuff and he's just playing with his toys, so I need to try to focus on editing for a while but still be obviously in mom mode and be focusing and making sure he's not falling over and hurting himself or chewing on something he shouldn't. Obviously he's in like his playpen and stuff, but sometimes he likes to reach out and try to grab stuff. It's a lot of work, and I'm not trying to complain at all. More just like, please subscribe and share this video and just help a mama out so that I can follow my dreams and build this channel, and also hopefully provide for my son. And if you want to be nice, just help us out with our car somehow. I'm not trying to make this video to complain or anything, just sharing little tidbits of our life and just also get some inspiration ideas on what to film and what all you guys like to see. I obviously want to share Jack a bit, but also people on the internet are weird, so I don't really know how much exactly I'm going to share. Obviously that may change. We're just kind of vibing it out so far, and I've only just shared little clips of him, but I feel like that's what's kind of best. But I don't know. Are any of you guys moms? Do you work? How did you go back to work? Are you a stay-at-home mom? I don't know, just life has been, it's been crazy, and we're working on getting our lives back in order. Also, where do your socks go? Like, I swear, since it's summer, I'm barefoot a lot, or sandals and things, but I swear every time we do laundry, Sean has less and less socks. Like, where do they go? Where is the laundry machine eating them and sending them or something? But yeah, so I don't really know what else to say, just chatty and whatever today. I'm just gonna end the video here. I don't really know what else to share, and it's also almost 2 o'clock and I upload at 4, so I need to put this laundry away. It's all pretty much ready to go. I just need to hang up shirts and put underwear and socks and stuff in the drawer. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas or requests of what you want to see from me next, please let me know down below. Tell me what you like to see, what you want to see. Any ideas would be so appreciated right now. Someone did request that I do some like my makeup favorites, which I am working on. I will do soon, hopefully. Like I said, life has just been a little chaotic and crazy, and I haven't had a whole ton of motivation, but motivating ourselves right now. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Of course, subscribe down below, join the family, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.